So we had a huge project and didn't really want to leave it up to just anybody. From word of mouth, we kind of talked to different people, and ultimately we went to Angie's List. We found a lot of great reviews, countless testimonials of Regency being professional and doing a great job. So that's what we went with at the end of the day. Oh gosh, it lived up to all the reviews and more, I would say. Very professional. All the entire staff, just the way things were run, from the technology and being able to look and see the progress of the project, using Builder Trend that they use, having someone in the office who handles everything from selections and kind of keeps the project moving was very professional. And then I thought the flexibility, they were willing to listen to us, and they weren't rigid as some contractors could be in terms of when you get started on a project and no, this is the way it is, or we're going to have to pay tons of extras and change fees. That was not the experience here. It was very flexible. It was a working relationship, and we ended with a result that was exactly what we wanted. Oh, absolutely. I would recommend going with Regency. I mean, this was a huge project, so that was the other part that we were kind of nervous about. We're basically building another house down in our basement, so we were wondering if some other contractors would be able to do this and take on this work. So if they could do this, I really think they could do anything, any type of renovation project. So I definitely recommend Regency developers for any type of basement project, kitchen project, bathroom project, any type of remodeling project. We did it all in this basement, and they did a fantastic job with it all.